Okay, I've got the perfect solution. Brain explosion.
What? You can't explode my brain. That's gotta be illegal.
No, the band Brain Explosion.
Oh, never heard of them.
Yeah, I know. You wouldn't have. You gotta be in the know to know, you know?
No.
And that's why you've never heard of them. But trust me, these guys are like real musicians. Just listen to some of this and it'll blow that poppy trash music right out of your head.
Check it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Birds in the sky. Birds flying high, yeah. I'm a bird. I'm flying so high like a bird. What?
Soaring through the sky because I fly since I'm a bird, bitch. I'm a
Tam
bird,
doesn't see
bitch.
it.
Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. I'm a fucking hawk, bitch.